Hello students, in the last video I have discussed factors affecting demand and this is the continuation of the same thing. Now in last video I have discussed the factors price of the commodity and price of related goods. Now the next important thing which is affecting demand, that is income of the consumer. How income is related with consumers' demand. If you see it in a simplified way, when your income rises, demand rises. When your income falls, demand falls. Means they are directly related with each other. But it is not applicable for every goods. For simplification, you can classify the goods in three categories. First is normal goods, second is inferior goods, and third is inexpensive goods. Normal goods are those goods in which income elasticity is positive, which means when your income will rise, demand will rise, and when your income will fall, demand will fall. Now the question comes, which goods are normal goods? You can give example of furnitures, accessories, clothes, bags, etc. The next important word is inferior goods. Inferior goods, if they ask you the definition, you can write that inferior goods are those goods in which income elasticity is negative. Now, what do you mean by the word income elasticity? Income elasticity shows that how much percentage change in there in quantity demanded due to change in income. When I am saying income elasticity is negative, means in case of inferior goods, even if your income rises, you are not buying more of these goods. That is why I told you, you have to define it that inferior goods are those goods in which income elasticity is negative. Now, what are the example of these goods? You can write black and white TV. Because if your income rises, you will not buy more of black and white TV. You will switch over from inferior good to superior good, that is color TV. Now the third I have written inexpensive goods. Inexpensive goods are those goods in which you are spending a very minute part of your income. Like when you are buying a matchbox or candles, you are spending a very minute part of your total income. So these goods are known as inexpensive goods. Now you have to explain it with the help of diagram. In this diagram, in OX-axis I have written quantity demanded and in OY-axis I have written income. Two incomes I have shown, that is OY1 and OY2. First we will take the normal goods, that is why I have written NG. Normal goods, as I discussed, are positively related with changing income, means when your income rise, then your demand will rise, and when your income will fall, your demand will fall. So that is why the curve is upward going curve. The second curve which you can see here, I have written here IN, inexpensive goods. Inexpensive goods you can see up to OY2 level of income. The demand is rising with rise in income, but after rise in income, after OY2, the demand is becoming constant for these goods. That is why the line is parallel to y-axis. Means even if your income rises, you will not buy more of these goods. Third curve which is drawn here, you can see that up to OY1 level of income, it is upward going and now it is taking a backward turn. Now which goods are these? These goods are inferior goods. Here you can see when your income is OY1, you are buying OQ1 quantity of these goods. But when your income increases from OY1 to OY2, you are not buying more of inferior goods, because any consumer will like to switch over from inferior goods to superior goods. Like if you are using a ordinary phone, if your income increases, you will switch over to high-end phone. According to your budget, you will decide. So this is a very important question. It can be asked as a 6 marks question also. So if you have any doubt related with this diagram or related with the explanation, you can mention it in my comment box. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe. Thank you.